Engineered for excellence, Termix introduces its latest tools, the Termix Marble Max Professional Hair Clipper and the Termix Marble Trimmer. Designed for precision and control, these hair clippers deliver top-tier performance for every style. Both hair clippers are powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, built for durability with over 3,000 hours of use. Lightweight and ergonomically crafted, these tools allow for long hours of work without strain, ensuring consistent results. The advanced motor system minimizes heat buildup, providing smooth, uninterrupted cutting, even during extended sessions. The Termix Marble Max is a versatile clipper, offering both corded and cordless functionality to meet the demands of any stylist. Its brushless motor ensures consistent cutting power for up to 180 minutes of continuous use. Equipped with 8 interchangeable combs, the Marble Max offers more than twice the options of standard hair clippers, perfect for creating smooth fades, precise gradients, and uniform cuts. The Marble Max also stands out for its exceptional precision. Its high-density steel blade guarantees exact smooth cuts with each use. This clipper excels in both precision and reliability, ensuring consistent, professional results every time. When it comes to precise finishing touches and detailed styling, the Termix Marble Contouring Trimmer is indispensable. Designed for precise lines and intricate work like hair tattoos, its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it ideal for even the hardest-to-reach areas. Plus, it can be used both corded or cordless for maximum flexibility. Outfitted with a stainless steel blade and a set of 4 combs, it ensures sharp, polished results on all hair types, whether thick, fine, straight or curly. The fast-charging battery gives 120 minutes of cordless use after just 1.5 hours of charging, so you can stay focused and efficient without interruptions. The Termix Marble Max and Termix Marble Trimmer are hair clippers engineered to provide exceptional performance,